Yo, what's good, guys? So today we're in another video. Today, I got the Pearl Rifle. This skin is actually broken. Like, I am not lying. It is actually, like, really broken. So let's get into it. Alright, into the first duel. No. I'll be down for crossroad. But I'll be down for crossroad, too. Also, how did I predict that I was going to crossroads? But gang, this skin's accurate. Like the Pearl Rifle skin's broken. There's a holy bad spike. Alright. Alright. First game with the auto shooter. Great. So yeah. Where is he? Are you serious right now? Yes, sir. Dude, this skin's actually broken. Like, it literally gives you aimbot. Alright, let's go. Dude, just look how broken this is. Holy. Hold up. Let's see what I'm gonna get in this finish attack. Alright. Back to 1v1. Wait. Hold up. Anyway. Back to it. After this, we're gonna do the Yep. Oh. This guy's level 300. He's probably gonna use default only. But no, probably knife though, because he's a weird fan. He's a fan of the YouTuber weird. Oh yeah. Yep. This guy's already slow. Walking. Dude, imagine if I actually win though. Like, that would be insane. Bro, what are you doing? Please play for a vid. Good. Alright, anyways. Okay. Walking. Holy crap. Holy. Let's go! W. Alright, walking. Oh, let's go, gang! We both have the same skin. W. This guy's playing, like, so weird. Like, why is he going up with the... Okay. Oh my gosh. His aim! Okay, why do I have to use medkit? This guy is so weird. Why do you have to use medkit? I didn't mean to put on right shoe and medkit. Oops, take the win. Alright, now he's using DL. No! Oh, wait. I can research. Oh, no. Why? My aim. GG's game. Into the next game. This time we're gonna use default tools. What? Is bro trying to stream? Wait, no. What? Is bro trying to snipe me? Or what? Because why did he, like, did it at the exact same time? That was weird. Anyways. Just arena. I don't want to do any of these. Just arena, please. Thank you. Wow. This guy's like a level 200. I don't know if I'm cooked or not. Probably not. Alright, Rocky. Just what I like about this map, you can't really use like medkit, scythe, warhorn, like it's free to play. That's what I like about it, how it's like so free to play. Because literally it's like so free to play, so that's what I love about it. Because like no pay to win, like that's why I'm choosing DL. And until after no more DL after. W. Hold up, chat. I'm gonna turn off aiming animation. Yeah. Off. Now let's see with aiming animation off. Is it still OP? Oh yeah, definitely a lot more OP. Oops. Didn't mean to reload there. Hey, W. I won. Let's go. Alright, now it's actually time to walk in now. Walk in mode. Let's go, W. Damn. I love the Pearl Rifle. It's really like so OP. Just look at that, dude. What is bro trying to do, gang? Damn. GG's. Into the next one. We're into the next game. Dun, 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 dun. Holy crap. He just immediately chose arena. I don't know if or not, but that's pretty suspicious. He might be hacking. Yeah. Nope, he's definitely not. Yeah, definitely. Just please don't hack if you're actually hacking. Alright. Nothing. Oh crap, it's lagging. Oh no, it's just lagging bad. Walk in! Where's he? Something there's like... Oh, over there. Okay, my aim is so... right now. Yeah. Maybe I should turn back on aiming animation. I know I don't really like aiming animation on. Wait. Just for this... I just like about it how it has like it has like what do I call that? A scoped weapon. I just like how it has a scope, but I don't really use it that much. It's pretty rare for me to use it, but I mean, you know, sometimes I look it on up. Okay. Dude, why is this guy actually like really good at the game? Like, oh my gosh, he's insane. You're good, gang. Oh my gosh. Just what's annoying about it, it's just like I can't choose anything else. Okay, this guy's aim. I mean, it's free to play, guys. I mean, I'm just saying that that's aim. Okay, I am at 1 HP. I do not have a med kit. How is this fair? Well, it's really called default loadout. Please give me the round. Please give me the round. Please give me the round. Just one. Just one. He's gonna use that. He's probably not gonna open. Lock in. I don't even know how that's possible. I'm at like 1 HP. Literally at like 0 HP. That's aura. That's actually aura right there. Now that's what you call aura, gang. How did I even hit that? I'm literally at like 1 HP, gang. Dude, I am insane. This is the top 10 reasons why I love this game so much. Yeah. If y'all are wondering when I'm gonna post a Minecraft video, I am at 1 HP, it says. Oh my gosh. His aim. It's so good. Hit him. Yes. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh. I cannot even talk anymore. That's how happy I am. Alright, anyway. Lock in. Holy. I am just clipping this guy, gang. Okay. How did that grenade even hit me? Alright, W. Just remember, if this is a 5-0, at least it's like a 3. Oh my gosh, it's lagging. You are kidding me. Oh my... Oh, I hate the lag. What? How is that even fair? This game. It's so laggy. Oh, he wants a rematch? Alright, bet. Cross those. No, alright, yeah, fine. Okay, chat. I guess he wants a rematch. I guess this is gonna make the video like just like a bit longer, but I don't care. Your aim. Please add me. Your aim is just too good. Your aim is good. Your aim is good. Chat. If this guy wins, I'll probably just take him like this. Oh my gosh. This guy's aiming. It's insane. Everybody. He's like the most bestest person on earth. Like, how in the hell is this game possible? Nope. Aiming animations off. Holy crap, your aim. It's insane. Okay. Should I be playing on computer later on? Should I be playing on computer later on? Cause I was thinking on playing on computer. Because I do have a computer, but I don't really play it that much. So I mean, it is my mom's computer to begin with. Is this guy using Delta? I can't tell. But and to the next game. Alright. We're in the next game, gang. Fun fact, you could dash with guns on your side. Yeah. That's actually he's level 97. This guy's under level 100. Is this even gonna be a fair duel? I don't even know, but I don't care. He's level 97, I mean, he's close to level 100. Probably next video, I will carry him in the level 100. I don't know, but probably if he wants me to, I could carry him to level 100. So, maybe I could do that in a future video. Alright. Well, he already disconnected. Nope. Okay, he did. Alright. I guess into the next game? Next game we go. Arena. By the way, guys, I didn't got it on video, but I opened 17 tropical chests. Today. Like right now. Alright, looking. Because of level 72, you were actually fighting me, like, really good. I mean, nah, I don't know what to rate him, but anyways, remember, this is how the assault rifle is like so broken. Alright. Oh my gosh. I am actually starting to get like really tired of the noise. Why RPG? Like, bro, if bro using RPG, like, why RPG? Why you have to play weird? Just use the assault rifle, right? Like why RPG? I particularly is gonna go that way. Oh, behind me. You're cooked. That's why you never met with a bear. Oh, alright. I have been recording for 18 minutes. But let's lock in back. I guess I've been recording for 18 minutes. Yeah, I have. Okay. Why do I have to repeat that message that we already know? Also, why do you have to use shotgun? I mean, shotgun's actually a really good weapon for backrooms. If y'all ever used shotgun in your life, I used shotgun before. I mean, it's like super OP in the backroom. But anyway, dude, this pro rifle is broken. He literally left the game. That's how OP it is. Like literally, gang. Literally. Also, I keep getting pearls so much. Like if you know, just for this video, why not let's buy one more tropical chest since you didn't watch the tropical chest. Kiddie pool? How do I even say that? I don't know. But gang, into the, you know what I'm gonna say. Next game. We're in the next game. Level 154. Alright, lock in, gang. Lock in. Alright. Theo. Got my loadout ready. Guys. Don't ask why I love Theo so much. I I just love DL. That's default only. If you don't know what DL means, it means default only. It's really OP. I really love it. Yeah. Damn, a bit Horizon, good skin, by the way. Yeah, I'm probably gonna record this for like, till like, what? It's already been like 20 minutes. I'm probably gonna, I don't know. Anyway, lock in. Oh, what a katana! Why? Like, game. Okay, bro. You do not have to play weird. Yeah, see? That's what happens if you play weird. Should I use spray, that means? Yeah, why not? Yeah, why not? Okay. I just kind of forgot what spray was, but I got it. Okay, why didn't I actually wear that? Okay, hold up. Yeah, I'll just stop yapping. Walk in. Holy crap, I just missed every single shot in my game. 51, 360. That did not meant to happen, but okay. I guess I'll take that win. Like, actually. No one could ever beat me. I am the assault rifle king. Probably I'm like top 10 on it. Gang. Okay. Gang. You are so lucky. I did not realize that the trip mine was right there. So lucky. Oops. He'll be my lucky, like. So stupid. Oh my gosh, why? Oh my gosh, would you stop, please? Like, would you please stop playing weird? Skirt. I'm using trip mine too. Ready? Okay, why? Why do you have to play so damn weird? Got him. Like, really low. Yeah, buddy. Spray goes through katana. Did you know that, buddy? This guy has to play weird. Have you ever lost a game in your life? Lose a game. It's fine. You don't have to lose. You don't have to win every single game. Be the good, not the bad. Alright, no more. Walk in. Okay, why? Why in the hell did you have to ruin that clip? I was really gonna put that in my montage. Oh, you're so damn annoying. He was at 1 HP too. You gotta be damn kidding me. No trip mine. You're so damn annoying. Oh my god. Why do you have to play so weird? Like, you just annoy me. Lose a game. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you have to lose or win a game. That doesn't matter. Just all you want to do is just win a game. Lose for once. That's it. I had enough. I had enough. You are actually getting off of my nose. I don't care. Guys, I know. Oh, I'm using pay to win. He's using the pay to win. So damn annoying. Everybody just has to ruin my damn video. Just die. Die. I had enough of you. Die. Die. Finally. You're gone for eternity. Alright. That's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And see you in the next one. Peace.